This is the work. You see that we have veneer on premolar, canine, 4 crowns, again a veneer on the canine, and after we have the bridge with this sort of premolar, small molar like intermediate element. This is the work on the model. Everything was managed with a conventional impression. When I have to match veneers and bridge, I find that I love much more to work with this technique. Also, working with veneers, I love the conventional impression because I love to do feldspathic veneer, very thin one, and I tried all the techniques available on the market, pressed, refractory, everything, but in my experience and in the hands of my technician, I love the platinum foil technique. And for doing the platinum foil technique, nowadays you need a conventional impression with a physical model. There is a complete workflow about this technique that it is not part of this course. But I love the platinum foil technique. This is the work the day of the delivery. I bonded the veneer and after I did the cementation of all the crowns. This is the smile of the patient, assessing so the main concern of this patient, that was the aesthetic. You have the preoperative and the postoperative of this patient. This is a photo where we are going to check that the axis of the teeth are all correct, that there is a good matching with the lower lip.